Hey MJ, I have a surprise.
What?
Guess what this is?
Bamboo.
Do you think you can eat it?
No.
Well, let's find out. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M and this is...
I'm dead.
And who is our special guest today?
Puppy Wuppy.
Puppy Wuppy, very good. So, MJ correctly found out, this is bamboo. Do you think we can eat this bamboo?
Yes.
Yes? Well, you're wrong. It's actually hazardous. Don't eat this. You'll get sick. But, what do you think this is?
Bamboo.
This is bamboo. It's been processed. We got it in a can. It's safe to eat. Did you want to try a little bit? Alright, go ahead, grab that or your piece, either way. What do you think?
Yummy.
It's pretty good. We're going to put it in some Thai soup. Let's get cooking.
Alright gang, ingredients time: we need 4 ounces of thin rice noodles, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons red curry paste, 1 cup of light coconut milk, a quart of veggie broth, 1.5 teaspoons each of soy sauce and rice wine vinegar, a pack of firm tofu cut into cubes, a can of baby corn, a can of bamboo shoots, 8 ounces of mushrooms, we recommend shiitake, half of a red bell pepper, thinly sliced, and some lime wedges we completely forgot to add at the very end of the episode. Step 1, add the oil into your stock pot. We're going to go ahead and turn the heat on to medium and just give that 30 seconds to a minute to warm up. Next step is adding that curry paste. Go ahead and add that, and it's going to smell so good. Let it simmer in that oil for about 30 seconds to a minute till it releases its flavor. Then it's time to add our coconut milk. When we're adding our coconut milk, we'll want to whisk it in, as MJ is going to show us how to do, and we want to get everything combined. After about a minute, you should have all of that in there, and now it's time to add the rest of our liquid ingredients. So we're going to add our soy sauce, and then we're going to add our rice wine vinegar, and then we're going to add our broth. In just a second, there we go, our fancy Dale the Owl veggie broth, and we're gonna bring all of that to a boil once we whisk it together to combine everything. And that should only take a few minutes. Once it is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and add all of our vegetables and tofu. So in with the tofu, in with the vegetables. Be careful when you're doing this, it's boiling water, we don't want to burn ourselves. There goes the red pepper, and then last but not least, my favorite, the mushrooms. MJ was snacking on these. I'm surprised there were any left, if I'm honest. Then go ahead and give it a quick stir to get everything mixed up, and then we're going to set our timer for approximately 5 minutes.
Alright, so ours is cooked, it's boiling. The vegetables have softened up a little bit, which is exactly what you want, and we're ready to serve. So, since I didn't have a gargantuan stock pot, I'm going to put the noodles in the bowl and then put it on top. If you wish, you can put the noodles in and mix them around, but we just don't have room, or we'd have a mess on our hands. So, let's go ahead and put this in there. By the way, this is vegetarian and vegan friendly, if you care about that sort of thing. And oh, it looks just like what you get at a restaurant. Love it. Alright, MJ, you ready to give it a test? Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna mix mine up a little bit. Get a nice piece of tofu and some red pepper. Pretty good? Let me see. That is pretty good. So we use the low salt broth and low salt pretty much everything. If you like your stuff super salty, go all in on the salt, or you can always add some more later. Is that a thumbs up from MJ? Are you gonna pound it back? Well, I guess that's as good of an endorsement as I can possibly get as a dad chef. So, signing off for Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. This is Mr. M and this is...
MJ!
We'll see you next time. Take care.
Blast off! Snappy!
MJ.
Snappy, snappy, snappy doodle! They snap people, they snap their thumbs, they snack everything. They snack They snack, mom and dada. They snack and they all fight to her.